you can go swimming in the water, in the collectibles. Ooh, that's a little cold. Ah, that is fresh. Yeah, totally. Ah. Ah. Yep, there it is. Fuck it. Morning.
Morning.
Day 2 of the Fortuna adventure. Waterfalls today.
See.
I could have used an extra couple hours of sleep though. Co-pilot.
Easy, mate.
Navigation again?
Alright. Cheers, mate.
Cascada.
Muy bien.
Muy bien. Oh. Hello. Holy shit. Whoa. Hello. No, I'm not going to go underneath the water. Alright, we'll have a wager. The three of us will go underneath and whoever actually surfaces wins. And then we'll send a search party for the others if you don't surface.
Oh, yeah.
See all those like Indian movies where people like jump from the waterfalls and then swim out. Let's see if that theory works.
Mm-hmm. Is anyone thinking about us having to climb back up at the end?
I know.
Might be a little, yeah, good workout 2 days in a row.
And it's like, now we're just standing foot deep in our boxes, like in the river, like.
Slightly liberating.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta jump in. I'm going to.
Yeah.
Don't threaten me with a good time. Ah! That is fresh! Yeah, totally. Up! Up! Yep, there it is. Fuck it. Water, little brisk, but incredibly refreshing, plus the beautiful view of the waterfall. Okay, so yesterday when we went to Volcanos and did the hike, we parked the cars, got our rentals, we parked them. The mirror fell while we were on our hike. We're pretty sure that it's something that they just glued before, but right now we have about 10 minutes before we have to return the cars, otherwise they're gonna charge us $20 for the extra hour. So Tammy is in the shop right now trying to find glue, super glue, and we're gonna try and glue this with seconds to spare to put it back, repair it, return the car, get our deposit back, which is $1,000 US, not colones, which would be like $2. It's $1,000 deposit. So we're trying to fix this so that we don't get hassled at the rental, like it's some kind of like scam. Come on, Tammy, the clock is running. I think it's exciting. Those white knuckle moments. Ah, she got some! Yay! Ah! Yes. Okay. Okay, here we
do it properly.
Do it properly? All right, Dr. Dustin.
Okay, put it the right way. Yes, like that.
Yeah. How long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Just stand there.
We don't have 20 minutes. We have like 5 minutes.
Okay, then you can just...
I bet someone else did that. It fell off and they glued it and it fell off. And
Yeah, and the rental place just never noticed. But they actually had 20 minutes to hold it. We don't. Okay. Tammy, I have faith in you. Strong hands.
It's gonna look funny arriving to the place.
What are you guys doing? Don't worry about it. Nothing? Huh? I have faith this is gonna work. Good job, team. We did it.
Yeah.
Down to the wire. All right, everyone, just be cool.
Alright, it's pretty good.
All right.
We totally fixed the
I know, I saw, I was about to say.
I saw you did it.
You're like, oh, that's... And we didn't even get the insurance. We just got basic insurance. We rolled the dice. We won. Yeah.
It was worth the risk, most definitely.
Living on the edge, man. Basic insurance only.
How did you get the wind mirror back on?
Let's get a couple more feet away. Time is ticking. She runs in. She comes back with the super glue, and we put it on and just hold it there for a couple of seconds. Tammy's holding it as I'm driving down the street to get back. Sweet. Made it back with seconds to spare.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah. All good, man.
Sweet.
We get our deposits back. We're good. We're golden.